Everybody, this is Brian with Vermillion Enterprises, July 25th, 2025. Silver's just below $39 per ounce, and gold is just below $3,350 per ounce. Both are great prices. This is an incredibly healthy market for the price of gold and silver, which we are definitely enjoying here at Vermillion Enterprises, and striking while the iron is hot, which we're going to continue to do here, staying well capitalized for you guys and gals out there. Yesterday was banging. Let's see, we bought just under 50 ounces of gold yesterday again, and we bought right at 3,000 ounces of silver, which all that we got shipped. Boxes were heavy yesterday, weren't they, Tim?
Boxes were heavy.
Yep. So that was a good thing, and keep dumping it on us, guys. We are not undercapitalized, and we are just processing. Started my day out about 4 a.m. this morning. Got a great workout in again, and then got here, already got about 2 hours, about an hour and a half of processing in. And we're going to continue to go to make sure we got both funds and metal available for you guys and gals as you see fit. We are here to help, and we are happy to do it. I take that the liquidation of your guys' stacks very seriously. I think that's a responsibility that I definitely enjoy taking on, and will continue to do so. And we appreciate all the business you guys and gals have been slinging our way. I know a lot of you are traveling a long ways to get to us, and I greatly appreciate that. Thank you. All right, Tim, it is, what is it? Is it Friday?
It's Friday.
It's Friday, and we're going to run down premiums. I don't think anything's really changed here. But yeah, this one thing, but no big deal. We'll run through it. As you can see, all the silver is in front of me. I'm just processing tubes of rounds that came in yesterday, getting them ready for market, pulling all the milky ones out. We're going to burn those, and then we'll get the rest of them verified and stacked up and ready to go. But let's run fractional eagles first. 1/10 ounce eagles, we're buying them at melt plus 2%, selling them at melt plus 8%. Quarter ounce gold eagles, we're buying them at melt, selling them at melt plus 7%. Half ounce gold eagles I am out of, but we do buy them at melt minus 1%. If I do get any in, or when I get them in, we'll sell them for plus 3%. 1 ounce gold buffaloes, we buy them at spot, we sell them at spot plus 3%. The reason why I'm buying them at spot is I can still get spot plus a half a point on these, so I'm still making $17 a coin basically. So I'll keep doing that. 1 ounce gold eagles, we buy them at spot minus 1%, sell them at spot plus 3%. Why do I buy them at minus 1%? Well, because I'm getting 99.5% on them right now, still making about $17 per coin, and we'll continue to do so until I can't. All right, foreign gold bars, raw pre-33 gold. We pay 98% of spot or 98% of melt for that, depending on what it is. That includes 1 ounce gold bars, fractional gold bars, old foreign gold such as sovereigns, ducats, marks, liras, francs, whatever else I forgot there. What is a ducat there? Coronas, all that good material. We'll pay 98% of melt for. Includes $5 and $10 gold commemorative coins, such as that. What else? Raw pre-33 gold. You see there's a couple saints in there. There's a scruffy 2.5 Indian. All that good material. We pay 98% of melt for it. And that also includes 1 ounce gold maple leaves, Krugerrands, Britannias, Philharmonics, kangaroos, Australian nuggets, all that we will pay 98% of spot for, and including the fractional versions of those coins. We'll pay 98% of melt on them. All right, numismatics, MS63 Morgans are 65, MS64 Morgans are 85, MS65 Morgans are $150. And we got MS63 peace dollars at 55, MS64 peace dollars at 65. All these coins, whether Morgans or peace dollars, are going to be NGC or PCGS graded. They will not be Annex, ICG, or in-house graded coins. You'll see various levels of toning on the coins, and you'll see various generational holders. Now, on the Morgans, those are 1878 to 1904 coins only. That it does not include 1921 Morgans. Coal, silver dollars, we got them. We're buying them at 28, selling them at 30. That is for peace dollars and Morgan dollars that are in coal condition. You're talking, these are all random. They come in random, they're going to go out random. So please don't ask us for specific coins or specific types. Junk 90, we buy a spot minus $2 per ounce and sell at a spot minus $1 per ounce. We do have quite a bit in stock right now. 1964 and before, silver dimes, quarters, and half dollars. If you're interested in any, come on in, call in, whatever, email Tim. We'll be happy to take care of it for you. Generic silver, we buy at a spot minus $1.25 per ounce. That includes 1 ounce rounds, 1 ounce bars, 5 ounce bars, 5 ounce rounds, 10 ounce bars, 10 ounce rounds. Includes foreign bullion. Also includes kilos, 100 ounce, 50 ounce bars and rounds. If you got pieces that are bigger than 100 ounces, we'll still buy them, but we're going to check with the refinery first on what they're paying before we quote a price. If you're interested in buying any of this material, we are selling it at the spot price of silver at the time of the transaction. All right, off quality silver eagles, we buy them at the spot price of silver and we sell them at the spot price of silver plus $1 per ounce. That's going to be for coins that got milk spots on them, surface abrasions, colorized, just material we do not consider retail friendly. Now, if you're looking for retail friendly solid day tubes of American silver eagles, we have those. We sell them at the spot price of silver plus $2 per ounce. Right now, we buy all silver eagles at spot plus nothing. This at spot right now, except for if you have strap boxes of silver eagles from the U.S. Mint, we buy those at the spot price of silver plus $1 and sell them for the spot price of silver plus $3 per ounce. That's for the green monster boxes that are double strapped. Those straps are still intact. We buy them at the spot price of silver plus $1 per ounce, and we do have some in stock. I just forgot to put one out, but we sell them for spot plus $3 if you are interested in them. All right, we are Vermillion Enterprises, open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., Saturdays 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. We accept payment via cash, wire, Zelle, and scrap metal. If you have gold jewelry that you do not wear anymore, can't wear, it's broken, don't like it, whatever may be the case, we'll turn it into cash money for you at 90% of its value. That is based on the purity of the metal, the weight of the metal, and the price of gold at the time of the transaction. That also includes sterling silver flatware, hollowware, tableware, sterling silver rounds, and tea sets. We'll buy it at 90% of its value. And yeah, you can mail that in if you like, or you can just bring it in and get it cashed out. We'll also use that as a balance towards the purchase of stackable precious metals if you like. People take advantage of both options. Either just pay you out, or you can apply it towards the trade of precious metals. Your decision. But we buy a lot of this across the counter, and also people are mailing it into us, which we greatly appreciate. And yeah, if there's anything we can do for you on that, please let us know. We'll be happy to help. So on your gold jewelry, what is it? That's old class rings, chains, mismatched earrings, herringbone chains, Figaros, old wedding bands, any of that type of material that you do not wear anymore or can't wear, we will turn that into cash money for you, or other stackable precious metals, whichever may be your decision. All right, guys and gals, I'm expecting a crazy busy weekend here. Weather's good for now. Lots of rain has been coming down on us, but so far right now the weather's looking pretty good. So that should mean that business is brisk, and we're looking forward to it. So if there's anything we can do for you, please come on in, reach out to the shop. We will be happy to help. A couple things, just a little housekeeping. But one thing, this seems to be a plague right now, and other dealers are communicating that with me as well, because it seems to be really out of the ordinary right now. You can't sell other people's stuff, guys and gals. You can only sell material that belongs to you. When people come in and say, oh, this is my neighbor's, or this is my wife's, or this is my son's, that is it. We do not go further with the transaction. We cannot, by law, buy something that does not belong to you. So whoever the person is that's coming in to sell the items, it has to be your stuff or their stuff, whatever. It can't be somebody else's property, even if it's your wife's, even if it's your son's, your neighbor, whatever. Even if they've given you explicit written, or not written, but explicit permission, hey, go sell this for me. It doesn't work, guys. Please don't bring in other people's property. We won't even look at it. All right, it's just the way it is, okay? And another thing too, when you come into a shop, whether it's ours or anybody else's, please just respect other people's privacy when they're in the shop doing their transaction. You know, some people are more than willing to talk and, you know, share what they're doing, but some people don't want to talk. They really just want to mind their own business, be left alone, do their transaction. You know, it's private for them. So please just leave each other alone. Don't try to initiate conversations about what they're doing, because that can really put people off. All right, and we've had some heated arguments in here between customers where one's trying to poke their nose into another person's business. Just come in, do your transaction, whether you're and collect either your bullion and coins or collect your money, and just go about your business. Your business is nobody else's. The other people in the shop, that's none of your business. All right, so let's just keep that in mind. I had a situation yesterday, and just it presents itself every once in a while. I know that stacking and collecting bullion can be fun, and for a lot of people it's a social thing, but for a lot of people too, it's a very private and personal thing that they don't want other people sticking their noses in. So please just respect each other's privacy whenever you go into a shop. That is critical. All right, guys and gals, we appreciate the business. We're ready to go. We're loaded for bear. We are not undercapitalized. Dump it on us. We're ready. Thank you.